Starting your woodworking journey can be both exciting and overwhelming. With so many tools and gadgets available, it's challenging to know just where to begin. To help you get started, we've compiled a list of the first 10 essential tools that every beginner woodworker should have in their workshop. These tools are foundational, making your woodworking projects more manageable and enjoyable. In this guide, we will delve into why each tool is important, what features to look for, and how they can help streamline your work. Let's dive into must have tools that will set you up for success. Number one, high quality tape measure. Newcraft Workshop recommendation, the DeWalt Atomic 25-foot tape measure. Let's kick things off with a high quality tape measure. Precision is key in woodworking, and a reliable tape measure ensures your cuts and joints are precise. When choosing a tape measure, look for one that's accurate, durable, and has a clear, easy to read marking. A 25-foot tape measure is a versatile choice, balancing length and ease of use. Features like a locking mechanism, a wide blade, and an optional magnetic tip will enhance your measurement accuracy and convenience, making your work smoother and more precise. Make sure the blade is wide enough to prevent bending and that the locking mechanism holds the tape firmly in place while you measure. This will save you time and frustration in the long run and contribute to much more precise joinery. Number two, a cordless drill. Newcraft Workshop recommendation, the DeWalt 20-volt max cordless drill. Alternative choice, Black & Decker 20-volt max. Next up is the cordless drill. This tool is incredibly versatile, perfect for drilling holes and driving screws. For beginners, a cordless drill provides mobility and flexibility without the hassle of cords. Look for a model with adjustable speed settings and variable torque control to handle various tasks. A 12-volt or 18-volt battery is usually sufficient for most woodworking projects, but for the price on this DeWalt 20-volt, go ahead and upgrade so you don't skimp on power. This package comes with one battery and one charger. However, you should consider getting an extra battery while you're at it so you're never caught short. Check for features like a comfortable grip and good balance, and this DeWalt delivers both. These features will make extended use easier on your hands and wrists. A drill with a built-in LED light can also be very handy for working in dimly lit areas. Number three, random orbit sander. Newcraft Workshop recommendation, the DeWalt 5-inch random orbit sander with variable speed control. Alternative choice, Black & Decker 5-inch random orbit sander. A random orbit sander is a must-have for achieving a smooth, even finish. This tool uses a random orbit motion to minimize swirl marks and provide a high-quality surface finish. Look for a sander with adjustable speed settings to handle different sanding tasks. A dust collection feature will help keep your workspace clean and reduce airborne dust. Choose a sander with an ergonomic design and easy-to-change sandpaper. A dust bag or collection system will not only help keep your shop clean, but also protect your lungs from fine dust. Number four, a good set of chisels. Newcraft Workshop recommendation, the Irwin Marples Chisel Set. Chisels are essential for detailed work like carving and fine-tuning joints. A good set of chisels should include various sizes and be made from high-quality carbon steel in order to maintain their sharpness. Look for chisels with comfortable, ergonomically designed handles for better control. Regular sharpening and honing are crucial to keeping them in top shape. Invest in a sharpening stone or equivalent system to keep your chisels sharp. Dull chisels can lead to poor results and they can increase the risk of accidents. Number five, pocket hole jigs. Our recommendation, the Craig 720 Pro. Alternative recommendation, the Vevor 34-piece pocket hole jig kit. A pocket hole jig is fantastic for creating strong hidden joints. It allows you to drill angled holes in one piece of wood and join it to another using specifically designed pocket hole screws. You should look for a jig with adjustable settings to handle different material thickness, and this Craig jig is self-adjusting. Simply lock the handle in place and the jig will automatically adjust to the material's thickness. Some models come with extra accessories like depth stops and clamp down capability for added convenience. A pocket hole jig can greatly simplify the process of joining wood, especially for products like cabinetry and furniture. Make sure to use it with quality screws designed specifically for pocket hole joinery. Number 8. A set of CounterSync bits. Newcraft Workshop recommendation, the set from Amana Tools. Alternative recommendation, this set from Cobalt, available at Lowe's. CounterSync bits are used to create conical holes that allow screws to sit flush with or below the wood's surface. This is essential for a clean, professional finish. Choose a set with various sizes and durable materials like high-speed steel. Look for sets with built-in depth adjustment features for consistent results. CounterSync bits ensure your screws don't protrude and create a smooth surface. They're great for projects where aesthetics are important, such as trim work or cabinetry. Number 7. Miter Saw. Newcraft Workshop recommendation, the Delta Cruiser 12-inch sliding compound miter saw. Alternative recommendation, the Craftsman miter box. A miter saw is crucial for making precise cross cuts and angled cuts. Whether you opt for a power miter saw or a manual one, both have their advantages. A power miter saw is faster and often includes features like adjustable and compound angles, as well as shadow lines or laser guides. A manual miter saw is much more hands-on, but can be much more budget-friendly as well. When using a miter saw, ensure the blade is sharp and the angle adjustments are accurate. Regular maintenance of your saw is crucial to keep it performing well. Number 8. A brad nailer. Newcraft Workshop recommendation, the Metabo Cordless 18-gauge brad nailer. Alternative recommendation, Cobalt at Lowe's Cordless 18-gauge brad nailer. A brad nailer is perfect for attaching trim, moldings, and small wood pieces with minimal damage. It uses thin nails that are less likely to split the wood. Look for a brad nailer with adjustable depth control and a quick release mechanism for easy reloading. A pneumatic brad nailer, powered by an air compressor, is often preferred for its reliability and power, but require the purchase of a compressor to operate. A brad nailer speeds up assembly and ensures secure fastening without damaging your workpiece. It's ideal for delicate trim work and small projects. Number 9. Clamps. Our recommendation, Jorgensen clamps. Clamps are essential for holding wood pieces together while you glue or assemble them. Having a wide variety of clamps, bar clamps, pipe clamps, and spring clamps ensures that you can handle different types of joints and materials. Look for clamps with sturdy construction and smooth operating mechanisms. Multiple sets of clamps make woodworking more efficient, allowing you to work on multiple pieces simultaneously. Invest in clamps of various sizes and types to suit different tasks. Number 10. A router. Newcraft Workshop recommendation, the Bosch 1617 router. A router is incredibly versatile, used for shaping edges, hollowing out areas, and adding decorative details. It can also cut grooves and dados. Choose a router with variable speed settings and a range of bits for different applications. A plunge router offers precise control and is especially useful for detailed work. A router is a powerful tool for adding finishing touches and creating intricate designs. As a beginner, you should experiment with different bits and settings to explore this tool's full potential. Investing in these 10 essential tools will lay a solid foundation for your woodworking journey. Each tool plays a crucial role in achieving precise, high-quality results. By starting with these basics, you'll be well equipped to tackle a variety of woodworking projects with confidence. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more woodworking tips and tutorials. Thanks for joining us today, and happy woodworking.